Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 and 3-dimensional shapes. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. And I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we are on right now is 2 and 3-dimensional shapes. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the first lesson. Name the 3-dimensional shapes. Let's just start with the lesson. What shape is this? Sapphire, cube, and cone. So which is the sphere, cube, and cone? This is sphere. That's a round shape, so the shape is, it has no flat surfaces. Let's just start with the test questions. What shape is this? Sphere, cone, cube, and cylinder. This is a cone. Option number 2 is the correct option. Cone it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. What shape is this? Cone, cylinder, sphere, prism. Yes, this is a sphere. Option number 2 is the, sorry, 3 is the correct option. What shape is this? Cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. This is a cone. Option number 3 is the correct option. What shape is this? Sphere, cone, cylinder, prism. Yes, sphere it is. Option number one is the correct option. What shape is this? Yes, this is a sphere. Option number four is the correct option. Very good. What shape is this? This is a cone. Option number four is the correct option. Cone it is. This is a cube. Option number two is the correct option. Sorry. What shape is this? This is the sphere. Option number one is the correct option. What shape is this? This is a cube. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is count the shapes faces. How many shapes does this shape have? So the shape exactly looks like a shoebox, right? You need to count the faces. So the faces are the flat parts of the shape. So here is like this one. Count faces. So with the two opposite faces. So faces are in the form of pair, like this one and the one on the opposite side, right? So one, two, three, four, five, six. The shapes has six faces. Let's just start with the test questions. How many faces does the shape have? So the shape have exactly six faces, right? Option number three is the correct option. How many shapes does the face have? That's a cube, right? And again, the cube has six faces. The correct option is six. How many faces does the shape have? The shape has six faces. Option number one is the correct option. How many faces does this shape have? Yes, the shape has six faces. Option number three is the correct option. Yes, the shape has Six faces. Option number two is the correct option. How many faces does this shape have? Yes, six faces the shape has. Six faces. Option number two is the correct option. How many faces does this shape have? How many faces does this shape have? Yes, again. Six faces. How many faces does this shape have? Yes, six faces the shape has. Six faces. How many faces does this shape have? Yes, six faces. The correct option is six. Yes, six faces. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Identify faces and three-dimensional shapes. Does the shape have a triangle as a face? The shape is a face, sorry, cone, right? A cone does not have a triangle as a face. Let's just start with the test questions. Does the shape have a circle as a face? No, the shape has no circular face. Does the shape have a triangle as a face? No, the shape does not have any triangular face, so the correct option is no. Does this shape have no no triangular face? Does this shape have a square as a face? Yes, all the faces are square, right? Does this shape have a triangle as a face? Yes, it have. The correct option is yes. Does this shape have a circle as a face? No face. The shape do not have any face as a circle. The correct option is no. Does the shape have a triangle as a face? The correct option is yes. Does the shape have a square as a face? No, the correct option is no. Does the shape have a triangle as a face? Yes, they have a face as a triangle. So, yes, it is. Does the shape have a triangle as a face? Yes. The correct option is yes, it has a face, circle as a face. Does this shape have a triangle as a face? Yes, it has a triangle as a face. Option number one is the correct option. Does the shape have a square as a face? The correct option is no. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtraction skill builders. Let's just start with the lesson. Subtracting 1. So now we're going to learn how do we subtract. Two take away 1. So now we're going to learn how do we subtract, right? So subtracting 1 means we need to go back by one digit. So 2 minus 1 equals 2 take away 1 is 1. You just have to go back by one digit. Subtracting 1 means you just have to go back by one digit. One take away 1. So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. One take away 1 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two take away 1 is 1 because you have to go back by one digit. So 2 take away 1 is 1. Five takeaway one is five takeaway one is four. Option number two is the correct option. One takeaway one equals one takeaway one is zero. Option number three is the correct option. Eight takeaway one is seven. It is option number three is the correct option. Two takeaway one is two takeaway one is one. Option number one is the correct option. Four takeaway one is yes, three. It is option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade one math. We have started with the chapter three, two and three dimensional shapes. We have done with the lesson, then we have started subtraction skill builders, and the lessons we have covered is subtracting one. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. If you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions you can please ask if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.